Today we're going to be covering how to use the GUI Guider with this particular RW612 Wi-Fi Bluetooth MCU. So first thing we're going to do is start up the GUI Guider. I've got version 1.9.1. So I'll come over here and create a new project. I'm going to select version of the LVGL 9.2.1. So I'll select that and I'll hit the next button. And I'll come up here and select the RW board, and I will select the Freedom Board for the RW612, hit the next button, and I'm going to go under one of these selections, but I'll go under the application, and I'm going to pick the example digital cluster, and I'll hit the next button. And I'll just type in project name, digital C for digital cluster. I'll hit the create button. And, oh, yeah, let me turn on my network for a second. Okay, I turned on my Wi-Fi. I'm going to hit the create button. And, it's going to create project files in that subfolder. Okay, once you get in here, you can change these graphics here. There's a bunch of content off to the left-hand side for the widgets. I'm not going to go in to show how to change some of this, but you can definitely move things around and put your own images in here and define buttons and things of that nature. But what I want to do is once we're inside of here, we can hit this generate or clean generated files. So I'll do that, and I'll generate the C code. So we'll generate some C code for this GUI Guider project. Looks like it's completed. Then I'm going to come up to this run button here. I'm going to say build target MCUXpresso. So we're going to build up a binary file. So that's going to go and run. I think in order to do this, I did pre-install some MCUXpresso IDE tools. So perhaps in order to use the GUI Guider, you're going to have to get some MCUXpresso tools installed as well. So it looks like the flash is still building, so we're going to let that build out. In the meantime, I'm going to open up this J-Link, so J-Flash Lite. So I'm going to open this up, and in here I'm going to click the base address of 08 instead of 18. So I've got that. So I've got the target is RW612 SWD target interface and 4,000 kilohertz for the communication frequency, and I'll hit OK. At this point, I need to go and search for the project file under NXP folder. So let's see, here's my NXP folder. So I'll go look at the GUI Guider projects, and let's see here. So I got inside the Digital C project, and in here you go under SDK and go under armgcc, and there's a build folder, and then inside of here the binary file will show up as soon as this over here gets to 100% build. So let's get that to 100%. Then we'll load up this binary file in the J-Flash Lite command tool. You can get that from SEGGER. So here's our binary. We'll select that one and open. And so now we have the binary file in there. What I'm going to do is I'm going to change this to a 08. So I'll just change the second 0 on the left hand side to an 8. And then I'll program the device, and you can say don't show this message again for a day, and accept. And then it's going to go off and program the MCU. And once the MCU is programmed, we'll be able to see that GUI on the RW612 board. So once you get it programmed, there's a little reset button up here. You gotta push that down, and it loads the new code in there. And this little demonstration shows a bunch of graphs and gauges moving around and numbers counting and stuff. So it's pretty awesome little application demo. So that's pretty much how you use GUI Guider to get that project, this graphical screen and project into the MCUXpresso environment. I think in this tool you can also export that into Zephyr. Need to make a video on how to do that as well. Anyway, hopefully you like this video. Please like, share, and subscribe.